Hello. Today I am standing out here in the cold to tell you it's getting warmer. Yeah, it makes sense if you don't think about it. Basically, over the last 30 years, the average temperature's gone up. Now, whether you believe in global warming or whatever, still, the temperature has gone up. But just a very small amount. And that actually affects us gardeners. You see, the USDA puts out this map, the USDA Hardiness Zone map, and what they do is they look at the last 30 years of average temperatures and decide whether the map needs updating or not. And the last time it was updated was in 2012, and the time before that, I think it was in 1990. But anyhow, they looked at it in 2020 and basically took temperatures between, I think, 1991 and 2020 and said, hey, we need to update the map again. So that means that all of the zones have pretty much shifted by about half a zone. And of course it depends on where you live, but I do recommend going in and checking out what zone you're in now. For example, I used to be in zone 6 right here along the Ohio River, and now I'm in zone 7. So the average temperature here has gone up about 5 degrees, which really affects us right now in the wintertime. Because your USDA Hardiness Zone tells you how low of a temperature you can expect. And that tells you what plants are hardy in your area. So you don't want to plant a plant that will freeze, you want to plant something that will survive. And that's what the USDA Hardiness Zone map does. So you can head over to their website, and they have a nifty tool where you can punch in your zip code and then it'll tell you what zone you're in. Likewise, on our website, we just posted a blog post about it, and you can go there and read up more in detail about what zones are and how they work and what to look for when you're shopping for plants. So like on the plant tag, it'll usually have what zone those plants can grow in, or what range of zones. So that's all great information to keep in mind. Another thing is just generally knowing your area. For example, I'm right here along the Ohio River, and it creates a microclimate in this area. In the summertime, the river stores up heat, and that means that if you live really close to the river, like I do, that usually you don't have frost until later in the fall, because all that warmth being stored by the river gets slowly dissipated out into the river valley. So yeah, keep that in mind, your local microclimate. And of course, you can always ask your local professionals, whether it's the extension service or us at Bob's Market or at your local home and garden center. And well, that is the zones. They are a changing, and until next time, keep growing.